Hello. What we're going to do is get started on Microsoft Teams, some information. The first thing is how you should be able to log in. Okay, so if you look on the screen, we have the Monmouth Regional homepage, okay? And so what you would do is you go Monmouth Regional homepage, okay? And then you work your way down and you find the Office 365 button, okay? And you just click on that and it's going to move to the next page for Office 365. Okay, and then you're going to sign in. Okay, and what you would do is you'd sign in with your email, your school email, and your password, and you sign in. Okay, and it's going to come up eventually. So you can see it's, you can't really see it's loaded because I lowered the thing, but it's loading right now. And eventually it'll take you into the Microsoft Office. Almost there. Oh, we'll use Michael's profile. Maybe that'll work. Okay, no, we don't want to do that. Which one's going to come up? It's going to be a race. Okay, now we're going to, oh, look at that. It took me back to the other one. So we're signing into my account. My password's there, my login's there, my password, and we sign in. No thanks. Yes, stay signed in. Because I have both accounts on my home computer, so that's why it's going to Michael and myself. We're still waiting. Okay, and there you are. So all the stuff you have there, the Outlook, the OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, Sway, and Forms, those are all things that are online with Monmouth Regional. So what you would then do is you'd click on the Teams. Still no. I think it's actually faster at school than it is at my home email, but you never know. So it's still going. Tick tock, tick tock. And yeah, Microsoft Teams is about to come up. Tick tock, tick tock. 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 I'm about to start banging my head into my desk in a minute. Checking out my credentials. Come on, baby. It's almost there. Almost there. Except from this first Star Wars movie, the guys are going to blow up the Death Star. Almost there. Almost there. And there it says get the Windows app or use the web app instead. I would use the web app, so that's all saved. So whatever computer you log into, it will work. And now here it is, okay? And then there's all the classes. Look at how many things I belong to. You guys would click on English 4 CCR 1, CCR 2021. It would come up, and then there's general, and there's your classes. Okay, so we're all set. So that's how you would sign into Microsoft Teams using the Office 365 app on the Monmouth Regional homepage. Okay, thanks for listening, and make sure you log in.